Cause it's wash day. Yes, sir. It's wash day. First of all, I'm still deep conditioning. I'm still deep conditioning. But look at them look at them girls. What a my freaking girls. Yes, ma'am. Put that back, put that back, put that back, put that back, put that back. Look at them girls for the doggone girls. Yes. Bam. Oh. Cause it's wash day.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
It's wash day. It's wash day. Whoa, it's wash day. It's wash day. Whoa, whoa, it's wash day. It is wash day, and wash day is sponsored by Luster Speak. Let me say it again. And wash day is sponsored by Luster Speak. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Luster Pink is sponsored. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Luster Pink is sponsored. It's sponsored. When I tell y'all, this is what we grew up on. Y'all remember the nostalgia of fried chicken, grease, fried corn, cornbread, cabbage, green, candy yam, all cooking in my mama's kitchen while you smell Luscious Pink. And it's not this bottle. You smell the hair lotion. Yes, sir. You smell that hair lotion while she is corn rolling your hair or braiding it in whatever style. The nostalgia. It take me back to a simpler time where I didn't think about anything but friends and food. The days that I have no responsibility, this gives me all the feels, everything. I'm sorry, I just had to talk about it because my childhood is in a box. Wash day, I previously washed my hair already with the Shea Butter Coconut Oil Shampoo and Conditioner for Natural and Textured Hair by Luster's Pink. Let's just take a moment, like take a sniff moment. Just inhale. Just like, now it's taking me back to, you know, I described the time when, you know, your mama braiding your hair, but we forgot about the bad times where, you know, if you moved your hair even the slightest bit, she take that comb and swack out on your head. Like, okay, so let me come back because that's bringing back bad memories and we don't need that. I will tell y'all, I enjoyed the shampoo and this conditioner. The slip in both of these products made for my hair. Made. Thank you, Lusters, for making this. Like, you have been my childhood and you are still my childhood and you're my adulthood. Like, this is just unreal. Like, thank you. So we enjoyed this. The slip, I was like, look at this. Look. I was like, fingers running through, still running through hair. Like, you're kidding me. My hair is completely clean. The wash, I had finger coiled my hair before this and I didn't even detangle it. I just wanted to see what it would do. And I tell y'all, I don't have to worry about detangling my hair. It's over. It's over. Alright. I had to give y'all my review of the shampoo and conditioner so you can go out and get that yourself. I'm gonna walk y'all through my FLEXI rod set and show y'all my results at the end. I've not used this product on my natural hair yet. I know it works for my perm hair. Duh. So I'm pretty sure it works for my natural hair, but we will see. What I'm gonna do now is like stretch out my hair. And side note, I'm using my Andes like hair dryer. Everybody has those like hair dryers with the funny nozzle. I don't, my hair dryers like this, and it comes with comb attachments, and this is a comb attachment. I'm just gonna hold my hair. So I'm just like holding my hair and like running heat through it. It's also still kind of damp. Like it's not like fully dry, it's still kind of damp. Okay, my hair is all stretched out. So we gonna get on to the style. I'll be using the Natural Oil Blends Trueshine Mist with this, and I'm just gonna spray my roots and my ends. And I'm gonna spray in my hands to do like a, yeah, rub it to the ends. Y'all, these products smell really good. Like, I love the menthol, and it's like a menthol and oil smell, like coconut oil mixed with menthol. I like it. And I'm gonna just do a scalp massage. I usually just like spray the tips of my fingers, rub them together, and do a scalp massage. Yeah. I'm going to take this hair lotion, the Luscious Pink hair lotion, section my hair off into sections, and then take FLEXI rods. So I don't know what sizes my FLEXI rods are. I usually use the grays and the purples. I mean, the purple and the gray. The purples are just a little bit bigger, so I'm probably gonna use that on the back. And then the gray is probably mostly towards the front and the middle. Alright, y'all. You can see I already kind of did some FLEXI rods, and it may look like a lot, but it's really not. So I'm just gonna do this other side and show you guys how I got the FLEXI rods, and after I will be showing you my results. So what I did first was I kind of just sectioned it off. We're just gonna work in sections. So I didn't take a section as big as my hand, and then I'm gonna clamp up this section back here, and I'm gonna clamp it down so it won't be in the way of my hair. Alright, so we working with this section right here, right? So just gonna take some pink lotion, and about that much, and I'm just gonna put it on this entire section, starting with the ends because they're super dry, and then working my way up. You know, the more oil in my hair, the more it's gonna kind of be weighed down for the FLEXI rods, because I want the FLEXI rods to hang and be big at the same time. So the more oil and lotion I put, the more it'll hang down. I know y'all are like, oh, so much product, so much product. No ma'am, it's not that much product. So I'm actually gonna take this section. I sectioned it off. Let me put this up. There you go. So this is like as much as I can wrap around my finger. Y'all can see it's like just an inch. That's about as much as I'm gonna put in the FLEXI rod. Then I take just some more pink lotion, you know, and I start at the ends first. Like I said, the ends are drier, so I try to put the ends and then I work my way up again. And I'm gonna take a gray FLEXI rod and I'm just gonna wrap it. I start with the ends first and then work my way up. The hardest part of the whole thing is to make sure that, like, I'm combing my finger over and making sure that every piece of hair is in the FLEXI rod set, and I just fold it over. Like, that's the hardest part, making sure every piece is in the FLEXI rod set, and that's it. Like, I just fold it over. We can do it again. Don't worry, I'll probably do this like 3 or 4 times for you guys to understand like what I'm doing. So I'm sectioning it off, section this in half. Well, not really in half, but just an inch of a section. I feel like I got too much, but it's fine. So like I said, like enough to wrap an inch around my hair. I added some more pink lotion just to lit. We're gonna take a little bit at the bottom, the roots first, and then work our way up at the top. Making sure every like little strand gets some lotion. I do not want my hair to be dry like at all. So I'm just gonna take this, wrap it around. I'm just wrapping around the ends, and then I'm taking my finger, kind of holding it and smoothing it, and then rolling it up and smoothing it as I go. Like a lot of people don't tell you that you need to kind of smooth your hair down, but I want like I don't want it to be, I want it to look like a perm FLEXI rod, if that makes sense. Like I want it to be kind of smooth, so when I take it down it won't be frizzy. So this can be split into half. Boom. You can actually split some more of you. Boom, split that into half. This can be split in half. This will go in the FLEXI rod, and this piece will go in the FLEXI rod. Pink lotion on the ends. Work my way up. While I'm doing that, sometimes I kind of run my fingers through it, kind of finger detangle it, because I don't want it to be like, you know, I don't want to use the word nappy, but I don't want it to be nappy. I don't want it to be tangled. So just rolling it around, rolling the ends, and I'm smoothing, still keeping my fingers here, you know, smoothing, rip and rock. Boom. That's it. I'm gonna do it one more time to this one up here. FLEXI rod. Boom. Okay, so I finished rolling my hair. I'm gonna go like just let this set and dry. I'm gonna take it down tomorrow, and I'm going to the event late tomorrow, so I'm gonna take it down tomorrow. And yeah, I'll show you guys the results when I get done. So see you then.